Hello and welcome to our blog for August. I am delighted that we are welcoming Lucy to our staff here. Our new office manager started a few weeks ago. How's it going, Lucy?
Thank you, Kimerie. Yeah, it's going really great. A few weeks in and lots to learn, but it seems a really great place. I look forward to working with everyone.
We love having you here. You're a great addition to our team, and I know you're going to fit in really well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you all.
Thank you. And as we continue along the theme of change, we are also welcoming our new minister to Unity in the UK, Reverend Wally White. You'd have seen some of the articles I've been posting and putting information out there. I'm stepping back from the role of director at Silent Unity and Daily Word in the UK after at least 20 years of leading it, more than. I really feel called to change. And Reverend Wally has stepped up and said yes to serving here in the UK. He's a delightful man. I am sure you will love him as much as we already are. He starts officially on the 1st of September. But before that, we have a few events in August that we'd like to invite you to join us and start to meet him, start to connect with him. Our first one is our Conversations in Unity meeting on the 4th of August, I think, the first Tuesday of the month. When we will be talking about change, how that's impacting me, how it's impacting him, how it's impacting you, more importantly, any questions, any experiences of change, bring it all to the conversation. I would love you to meet him as soon as possible and start to build those wonderful new relationships that are so important in Unity. And then on the 30th of August, we will have our monthly service. It's moved from the 16th of August because I want to use this as an opportunity to officially pass on my role to Wally. So we will have a proper service with music and singing and a 12-hour reflection on recognizing the qualities of the powers in Wally as he steps up to serve, and in all of us as we continue to live our lives and serve in every way that we do. So for me, I'm sure it's not goodbye. It's just a stepping back for the time being and then moving into a different way of service, a time of being with my mum and my family, being in Dorset in the countryside, exploring new areas, making new friends. Spirit leads us. Spirit has invited us, Paul and myself, on this move to Wimborne. We've accepted, we've said yes, and we know that exciting opportunities are unfolding for all of us. But this month, a time of transition, let's explore those transitions. Let's talk. Let's listen to each other. Let's be present and know that this change is good for all of us. I look forward to seeing you for these conversations and our service in August. Bless you. Thank you.